I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be learning a technique exercise that involves cramp rolls, a little bit of paradiddles, and my favorite cramp roll of the moment, the 16 count cramp roll. Now I say the 16 count cramp roll and the way I do it can be different from the way somebody else does it, and that is fine. This particular cramp roll has 16 counts and it is the one that I learned, so I am passing it on to you. I do have a step tutorial of this specific cramp roll, so if you'd like to check that out before you do this tutorial, it is right down in the description in the step tutorials playlist. I think it is one of the earliest ones. But yeah, the 16 count cramp roll. I also have a tutorial of this on TikTok for sure, possibly Instagram. So definitely check that out if you have never done this one before or if you have trouble picking it up from this video. But yeah, so this is cramp rolls and paradiddles, and it should be a lot of fun. It's a great exercise for pretty much every level as long as you can do cramp rolls and paradiddles. The level is just determined by speed. So this is going to be very intermediate today, just so that we can all kind of like jump on the speed sort of at the same level. And then if you want to take it up a notch, go for it. If you want to take it down a notch, go for it. So it is all up to you. Do it to whatever song you want. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so it starts with a regular cramp roll, step, step, heel, heel on the right. So you have step, step, heel, heel. Then you have toe, toe, heel, heel. So you have one cramp roll, step, step, heel, heel, and then immediately going to toe, toe, heel, heel, kind of like crawling out a little bit to more of a second position. So my hips, my legs go just outside my hips at that point. Not like obnoxiously, but like just a little bit. So step, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Good. From there, make sure that your left foot has the weight of your body in it. So make sure like that's where your weight is so that you can use your right foot. Paradiddle, paradiddle. So you have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and paradiddle, paradiddle. So you're just adding 2 paradiddles to it. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and big swing, step, heel, big swing, step. All right, good. That's the first part. Second part is almost the same, but you're going to reverse the first step. So it's a reverse cramp roll. Big, big, toe, toe, and then heel, heel, toe, toe. So you just do the opposite of what you did. Big, big, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. So it's going to feel a little counterintuitive on the heel, heel, toe, toe part, but you'll be fine. So dig, dig, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. So you have one reverse cramp roll, and then starting with the right heel, 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 toe, toe. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 8. Cool. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 8. And then you also finish that off with 2 paradiddles. So let's add the paradiddles to that real quick and make sure we have that, and then we'll try both together. So just from the reverse cramp roll. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Awesome. Okay, so let's do the first one and the second one together. So the regular cramp roll, all that, and then the reverse cramp roll, all that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Reverse. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Awesome. One more time, and then I have really good news for you. So one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From there, you do the first one all over again. Nothing's different. You just do step, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, paradiddle, paradiddle. So we have an A, B, A. So we're just going back to A kind of thing. Okay, so let's do all three of those together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and reverse. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and paradiddle, paradiddle. Not bad. Okay, going on to the last part. Here's the 16 count cramp roll. So you have a cramp roll, step, step, heel, heel. You're gonna click your toes together and then go right, left with your toes. So also, everyone's tap shoes are different. Let me just have a quick disclaimer. Everyone's tap shoes are different. So while mine sometimes make a really, really good like click, other tap shoes that I wear don't. They don't make a great click. I have to like have my feet almost on their side in order for it to do it, and it's because of where the tap is. On the JSAM, which is the shoes that I'm wearing, the tap goes all the way to the end. Some shoes, they don't. My K360s, the taps don't go all the way to the end the whole time. So if you're having trouble hitting that click, you just might need to adjust where you're clicking so that you make sure you're clicking where your taps are. I have a huge canvas that I can use because the tap goes all the way to the edge of the shoe the whole way. With my K360s, it's only there at the tip. So I gotta be like, see, and it doesn't even work with these shoes when I do that. I gotta be like right at the tip just to make it. And then the heel, these heels, they do go all the way to the end, but I never am, because I wear so many different shoes, I'm never used to like how high the heel is. There we go, got it. But like in my boots, they're slightly higher. And in my K360s, they're slightly higher, actually. So I think, no, in the boots, they're lower. In these, they're a little higher. And then in the K360s, they're higher. So anyway, just a disclaimer, if you're having trouble getting that, like, that ding when they're supposed to clip together, it's just about where your taps are. So make sure that you just kind of, like, find that sweet spot. Everybody's sweet spot's going to be different. All right, back to the 16 count cramp roll. You have step, step, heel, heel, click, toe, toe. That's where we left off. 7 sounds. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you put all of your weight back here in your heels and in your butt, and you go. See, that was okay. I'll take that. So let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I say that, and then now I can't do it. So cool. Next part, you click your heels and then drop right, left with the heels. So you did 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and now you have and 5 and. See, now I'm hitting my heel and not my toe. Whatever, just don't, nobody judge anyone in this video. Don't judge yourself, don't judge your friends, don't judge me. Cool. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and. Okay? Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything starts with the right foot. One more time. Everything starts with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and. Now we have the fun part, unless you don't like toe stands, and then it's definitely with quotations. You have toe, toe, step, step, heel, heel. So like a ladder, you're going all the way up and then halfway down and then back down. Now, if toe stands are not your friend, you can do big, big steps. So replace the toe stands with a big, dig, and then step, step, heel, heel, so we'll all finish the same. I don't require anyone to do toe stands because everyone on this channel is going to be at a different level. And that's not just like a level tap dance wise, it could be a level like physical body wise, because I know there's some people that are like, y'all are like 85, 90 years old doing these videos, which I hope to be you one day. I hope to still be dancing when I'm that wonderfully life experienced. So, but that toe stands don't always work when, you know, you're that life experienced, or maybe you have a recent injury, or maybe just, you know, toe stands are just not your friend yet. So I don't want to require them because they can be dangerous to do. So if you want to do the toe stand, great. I'm going to do the toe stand for the purpose of the video. But an alternative is that you can do big, big steps. Perfect alternative. Just letting you know that that's there. All right, so the 16 count cramp roll from the beginning goes 1 and 2 and click, toe, toe, click, heel, heel, toe, back, step, step. So let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Do y'all notice that if I get my toe, I can't get my heel, and if I don't get my toe, I do get my heel? Just wondered if anyone else noticed that. All right, so let's try adding that to the whole thing. Okay, cramp roll, toe, toe, heel, heel, 2 paradiddles. Reverse cramp roll, heel, heel, toe, toe, 2 paradiddles. Cramp roll, toe, toe, heel, heel, 2 paradiddles, 16 count cramp roll. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Reverse. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Regular. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 16 count. Step, step, heel, heel, click, toe, toe. Good. So that's the whole thing. At the risk of making y'all upset at me. Can we try it on the left? Just start everything with the left foot. The worst that happens is it's terrible and then we try again, right? I say that to my classes all the time. I'm like, just try it. The worst that happens is it's bad, right? And then it gets better, and then it gets better, and then it gets better. It doesn't have to be perfect the first time we try it. Well, let's try it on the left. Start everything with the left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and left, right, reverse. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Regular. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 16 count. How'd that go? The confusing part was probably the 16 count, because when this happens to us, 1 and 2, and you do this click, and you automatically want to put your right toe down. Like, comment below if that happened to you. It happens to me all the time. So you really have to think left, 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 like the whole time. Left, left, left. That way you put the correct foot down. All right, so we tried it on the right, we tried it on the left. Let's try it to some music. Sound good? Cool. Let me make sure everything is set up. If you watched, I don't know which one I'm going to release first, probably the first one, obviously, but like if you watched my other video for the technique exercise last week, you'll know this is a new space. I am still working out like acoustics and stuff, so I adjusted the stereo. We're going to see how this one works, and I'll try to fix it all in post. But if you guys have any, actually we'll do that in a different vlog, but I am going to ask y'all for some decor suggestions because I don't have a fireplace, so help a girl out. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this, and yeah, I'll count you in. And let's connect, because yes. gonna do it one more time on the left just so that we keep ourselves even. This is such a fun one. All right, ready? Down below for you guys. I had a lot of fun teaching this one to you. I love cramp rolls so much. My students yesterday were like, Miss Jen loves cramp rolls, and that's why we do so many, like my young class. And I was like, you're not wrong. I do love cramp rolls. It's one of my favorite steps ever. So I'm super happy to be able to teach this technique exercise to you. I'm very happy to be in this new space. Like I said, I'm gonna probably put out like a house tour vlog either on this channel or on my vlog channel with Sean. And so you guys can see like how the studio is set up. And I'm gonna ask for decor help. I mean, I have these guys, they're never gonna leave me. This is one of my favorite sets of art I've ever purchased from a convention. How cute are they? Like, they just have to stay. But like, should I put something here? Should I have my noise complaint thing that I had on my mantle, like right here? And take it down whenever I need to put my notebook. Isn't this shelf so convenient? Because I had the mantle, right? I don't have that anymore. So I was like, uh-oh, I need a shelf. So this is so nice. And like I can have my choreo right here so I never mess up most of the time. But yeah, I have to have Wally. As you guys know, he's been on this channel since day one. And then I just really like this lamp, man. But if you have any decor suggestions or soundproofing suggestions so I can dampen the sound in here a little bit, I am going to get another rug. I have this one, but I really feel like there's just a lot of echo in here. So I'm definitely going to get some like tapestries to hold some of the sound and some curtains and some rugs. But if you have like backdrop decor ideas, I'm all for it. Help a girl out. But yeah, I'm so glad you guys were able to do this technique exercise with me. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials, which I mentioned earlier. We've got choreography tutorials where you get to learn a combination to like a song you really like, or maybe it's a song you really hate but you still want to tap to it. Cool. We have vlogs and challenges and all kinds of stuff. And let me know in the comments if you do want to see a house tour, because I'm leaning toward putting it on my vlog channel, because most of the time if I post something that's not tap dance related on this channel, people are like, peace, bye, I don't want this. And I understand that. So, but let me know if you want it on this channel. If not, I'll probably just put it on the vlog channel and link it for you guys in a community post. So either way, you'll have access to it. But let me know if you're interested in a house tour. This place is just everything we've ever dreamed of, mostly because I have my own filming space. I also have a music room where I can write songs in like a dedicated space. Like, y'all, I'm so excited. Anyway, so thank you for joining me for this. If you're not already subscribed, we talked about that, but don't forget to also hit that thumbs up button. It's a very important button. So thumbs up, subscribe, help me out with some decor, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.